Okay, so let's talk, now that we have all these skills, let's talk about how you're going to avoid calling search and rescue because you got off trail a little bit. Say you are on a trail. This intersection doesn't look familiar. Which way am I supposed to turn? First thing you do is you are going to stop. Pull out your GPS or cell phone and get your grid coordinates. In this example, our grid coordinates are 10 Tango, Echo Romeo, 7476, 8668. We're going to plot our position on a map. We're going to determine the azimuth that we want to go to stay on our trail. We're not going to forget to compensate for declination. We're going to look around for any terrain features that assist our navigation. And then, said for train intersections, I meant trail. For trail intersections, check again in a couple hundred meters because trails don't always join at 90-degree angles. Let me walk you through. Okay, so we decided to stop. Our grid coordinate was 10 Tango Echo Romeo, which we already know is down here in the bottom. And then we were in the 7486 grid square. So we're going right to 74 and then up to 86. So put the 0, 0 of my map tool, 7486, and then we're going 7, 6. So we're going 74, 7, 6, 8, 6, 6, 8. Did I write that down right? Oh, yeah, okay. 7, 4, 7, 6, 8, 6. I might have the ground grid coordinate. Okay, well, we'll keep going. Where am I at? Okay, sorry. Having a little bit of difficult trying to do this and watch the camera at the same time. 8, 6, 6, 8. Grid coordinate was right. There we go. I was just trying to do too much at once. So I am at that trail. So now that I know where I'm at, I know what trail I want to be on. I'm going to pull out my map tool, still using my map tool. I'm going to put that on point A. And I'm going to draw my string to where, in the direction that I want to go. Turns out to be about a 125 to 130. So now I know I want to go on a 125 to 130. I'm going to dial 125 on my compass, and using the center hold technique, I'm going to rotate till I get red in the shed. There we go. So I got red in the shed now. I'm going to rotate till I get red in the shed, and now I'm going to go in this direction, my direction of travel arrow. So I'm going to look in that direction, and I'm going to see what trail is there, and that's the trail I'm going on. And because it's a trail and because they don't necessarily always intersect exactly at 90-degree angles like they do on the map, I'm going to stop after a couple hundred meters and double check that I'm still going in the right direction. And I forgot to compensate for declination. That's why I always say it. So because we went from grid to magnetic, we went right. So our acronym is LARS, left add, right subtract. So I took 125, I'm going to right subtract 15. I'm actually going to set 110 on my compass. So there we go. I'm actually going to set 110 on my compass. Or Dave, I could preset my compass. Like I said, I can never remember if I preset my compass or not. So that's why I try to compensate for declination every time.